Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about ADA. Now, what's happening with ADA? Well, as you can see, we're somehow, yes, following our pattern, yes. In my last video, we've been talking about this pattern, and we said that I think last time we talked about it, it was around here. I think it was the 24th. So yes, it was here basically. Now, as you can see, it went all the way up as expected, and then we went down. We found resistance, of course. So let's start actually doing something. So we found resistance here. Now we went down first low, yes, which is this is an interesting low, because every time you do something you need to understand why that thing is happening. Yes. So now, as you can see, we found level of support here, yes, in this area. Basically, we found support here. Then we went up. Now, we found. Now, you may actually wondering, where did we find the resistance? We found resistance against the 100 EMA line in the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. Yes. So we found resistance against the 2 hour EMA line, and now we're going back down. As you can see, even the stock RSI is telling us the same thing. It's telling us, okay, now we're going down, and then we're going to start accumulating, so the price will decrease. The price will go down. So now the question is, are we going to make a lower low? Are we going to make a higher low? In my opinion, we're going to make a lower low, yes. Or, the best thing will be a double bottom. Yes, double bottom will be actually perfect. But because we've been hitting resistance here and here, and we have made actually a lower high. Yes, this lower high is actually going to indicate that we're going to have a lower low. Yes, so we're going to have a lower low, which may actually bring us to the left shoulder. Yes. So, all these invert side and shoulder pattern, yes, still needs to take place. Yes. So basically, now we're going down, we're going to find enough momentum. Yes. And then at some point, we're going up again. As you can see, in the stock RSI, we're going to have a double bottom pattern, yes, somewhere. So, it means that we went up. This was our low. We went up. Now we're going down, double bottom, and then after that, we're going to be bullish again. Yes. So, midterm, we're going to be bullish, definitely. Yes. But for now, we need to wait a little bit more, guys, because as you can see, even in the 4 hour time frame, we can actually see this doji candle here, yes. So this doji candle here is indicating that we need to reverse, yes. So we're against resistance, and now we're going down, yes. We know that, let's say it goes back to 0.8, yes. So when it goes back to 0.8, so short term, we're definitely bearish, yes. This is something to keep in mind. This is short term. So short term, most likely we may actually go back to 0.8. If we're not going back to 0.8, maybe we're going to find support at 0.5 or 4, so anywhere in that area. So let's say we're going to find support at 0.8, 84 actually, sorry. We may easily go up to $1. Yes, $1 for us is measured level of resistance, yes, for different reasons. The first one is because the 200 EMA line in the 4 hour time frame is there. So we know that in the 4 hour time frame we have resistance, strong level of resistance actually. And because, look at all these lows, yes. All these lows, which were support before, now they are a strong level of resistance, yes. So you need to be careful now, because we know where our entry level is, yes, but let's say the 0.8 level is not going to be strong enough. Yes, what is going to happen? Well, we may easily go down, and find the level of support here on 0.75. Yes, but that wouldn't be a inverse head and shoulder pattern. Yes, so if we're going to touch the head, that's going to change everything. Yes, so that's why I don't. We may actually go below the left shoulder. Yes, why not? Why not? But we're going to see what is going to happen. In my opinion, 0.8 is actually a good target. Even a little bit higher than that, 8.20. Sorry, 0.82. anywhere in that area. So we got our level here. Yes, look at this beautiful area. So now if you can actually entry at 0.82, yes, from 0.82 to $1, we can easily make 25% profit, yes. And if we have enough momentum, which we should have, yes, because this is a strong bullish pattern, yes, and we're going to break out. So what is going to happen most likely is that, let me show you, yes. So we go down, yes, 0.82 or even below that, but that's not the point, yes. So after that we go up to $1, then we go back down, yes, and most likely find support on the 0.93 or 0.9, yes, 0.9 area. We're going to find support there, which was the previous high, as you can see, and then we're going up to 1.1 basically. And here, yes, what is going to happen here is quite important, because this line is measured level of resistance, as you can see. Yes. So this line here, we need to be really, really careful of whatever is going to happen there, because, you know, if we get rejected here again, yeah, that's not going to be the greatest thing in the world. We could actually get rejected here. We go down, find support on this level again, you know, double bottom, and then we finally have enough momentum to break through this pattern. If we break through this pattern, yes, this massive pattern here, yes, that's going to be the beginning of a new primary trend. And this new primary trend, which we are going to have at some point, yes, that's definitely going to happen, guys. We're definitely going to have a new primary trend soon, yes. The actual primary trend is a bearish trend. The new one is going to be a bullish trend, yes. And when we have that primary trend, we can easily tell that we're going to reverse, yes. And that's not going to be only for ADA. It's going to be for all the altcoins, yes. Do you remember what I was saying a few days ago? I was talking about the patterns, yes. I was talking about Bitcoin pattern, which was looking great. I was talking about ADA, which was finally developing some sort of pattern, yes. And I was talking about Luna as well. I was talking about Luna and how beautiful it looks. And look at this, guys. Look at what happened to Luna, yeah. Basically, Luna, when I talked about it, it was, I think, the 21st, 22nd. Anyway, it was around this area, yes. So I said that Luna is looking amazing because we have this double bottom pattern here, which you know is actually it was beautiful, yes. When I saw Luna the first time, I was like, wow, this looks amazing. This is going to make a lot of profit, yes. And look what happened. Look what happened. Let's say from this point, yes, it went up 40%. It went up 40%, yes. And I think ADA can actually do the same. Okay, we're going to start with 20, 23%, yes. But after that, let's say you're not going to sell, yes, and you buy down here. You can easily make, let's say, no, this is, I think, a little bit too high, but to $1 or 1.1, let's say $1, you can make 26%. And then if it goes to the 200 EMA line, which is here, yes, you can make 70% on it. Yes. So, of course, now things like Luna and stuff like that, yes, they're going to shine a little bit more, but, you know, we don't need to worry about that. What we need to worry about is the fact that we get into the market at the right point. And in my opinion, yes, the right level for ADA is here. I think this is actually the bottom. Yes, we're just playing with the candles now. Because look, if I zoom out, yes, I take off everything, we can easily tell that this is the bottom. Look at this massive candle. Yes, and you know, if you look at this, you can easily tell what we don't need to see. What we don't need to see is that these red candles are going to be lower than this green candle, yes. So if them two red candles, or even a third one, yes, if the red candles are not going lower than the green one, yes, we're good. We're definitely good. We're definitely bullish, yes. If the red candles are going lower than the previous green candle, that may actually be a problem, yes. But at the moment we're looking great, so you don't need to worry. Even the stock RSI for the daily, it looks alright. In the weekly, we're still there, yeah, we're still there. Look how low we are. So, in the weekly, we're still bullish. Look at this. So this week, we went up by 14%, yes. So this is a green week, basically, for us, based on the lowest level. So I think this is actually the bottom. Look, if I zoom out here, no, actually, this is a little bit too much. Here we go. If I zoom out and I use the daily, yeah, I can see that I went down and now I'm still going down, yes. So at some point I'm going to reverse, and when I reverse, that's when we're going to shine. And even if I check Bitcoin, yes, look, Bitcoin looks like Luna, doesn't it? Look at this. Let me go back on Luna. Yes, look at Luna. Look at this double bottom here. Yes. So high, low, high, low. Let's go on Bitcoin really quick. Bitcoin, high, low, and now you know what is going to happen. Yes. So if that happens to Bitcoin, yes. So let's say I remember that Luna went up 40%. Yes, Bitcoin most likely is not going up by 40%. It's going a little bit worse, but we can see where Luna found resistance. Yes. So Luna found resistance on this high, as you can see. Yes. So let's say Bitcoin is going to do the same. Yes. So I go on Bitcoin, and let's say Bitcoin is going to find resistance on this high here. So from where I sit now on Bitcoin, 38,000, to this high is 40%. Yes. So 40% on Bitcoin means 100, 120% on the altcoins. Yes. Not all of them. Maybe most of them are going to be more. Some of them are going to be less. Some of them are going to be 40%. Yes. But anyway, if Bitcoin goes up by 40%, yes, it means that a lot of money are getting into the market. And all the money that are going into Bitcoin at some point are going to move into the altcoins, yes. So everything is going to rotate, yes. So we cannot say that we are bearish at the moment, yes. Long term, we're definitely bullish. We're just, finding, creating the patterns, yes. The patterns which are going to bring us up again, yes. So this is only the beginning. This is the first wave for Bitcoin. The first wave for Bitcoin is going to be 40%, yes. This is going to be one big push, yes. And the same happened to Luna. So what is going to happen next is that we're going to have a second wave, yes, which could easily bring us up to, I don't know, maybe this high here, which was 63,000, yes. So the first wave is going to be massive. The second wave could actually be even bigger, yes. So whatever is happening to Luna now, yes, is teaching us what is going to happen on Bitcoin, yeah. So now Luna is going up, of course. Now Luna is going down. Of course, it's going down after such a big push. Yes, you need some sort of correction. Yes. So we know that in the future, Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins are going up. Yes. And then there's going to be a small correction. And then we're going up again. Yeah. So we know that we're getting there. It's, everything is based on when. Yeah. So, I'm still bullish on ADA. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I'm bullish on everything. I think that this year, yes, actually, I think next month, yeah, we're going to see massive gains. And by the end of the year, we're going to see new highs. Definitely new highs, guys. Definitely, yeah. So, just get ready. And I think you should actually buy anytime soon. The lower you can get it now, the better it is. Yes, even now, even if you get it now at this price, yes, which is not the lowest, and we've seen it before, we know that it is going lower. It's going most likely, talking about it, it's going most likely at 0.8. Yes, even if it's not the lowest, it doesn't really matter. Yeah, because when we talk about profit, yeah, we're talking about 100% profit, 50, 40% profit. Yeah. So it doesn't really matter if you get it a little bit more expensive or a little bit cheaper. Yes, if you are holding ADA and you bought ADA at 9, you bought it at 1.5, you bought it at $2. Yes, I'm quite confident about saying that you're going to have some gains. Definitely, you're going to have some profit. Yes. So if you're holding, don't sell. That will be pointless. Yes. I'm not saying this because this is what you want to hear or anything like that. Yes, I'm all the time honest with you guys, and um, I feel like a lot of people are not ready for whatever is going to happen now. Yeah. So I told you when I was talking about Ada. I don't remember when. Few weeks ago now, I think. Yeah. When I was talking about Ada, I said that I think it was here. Definitely, yeah, it was here. So at the beginning of the month, yeah, I've said that most likely we're going up. Yes, and that's when a lot of people are going to think that the bearish market is over. Yes, and that was when the fear in the market was a little bit higher. Sorry, lower. So I think when ADA was here, and so when Bitcoin was a little bit higher than now, I think the fear in the market was around 50. Yeah, so people were not really scared. People they were getting bullisher. Yes, but I was saying that this was definitely a bull trap. Yes, that was a bull trap, guys. And now we went down. Yes, because people are scared again. But this is the last time. And, something else to keep in mind is that if you make a lower low, yes, you're going to have a higher high. Yes. So most likely the next high is going to be higher than the previous one. Yes. So if you're buying now, and let's say I'm right, yes, I could be right. Why not? And it goes up to $4. We're talking about 400% profit. That's crazy, yeah. 400% profit. Just think about it. That's that's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful. So why not? Of course, if you go and buy another altcoin, yeah, you could actually make 700 profit, 700% profit, 800% profit. Yes, who knows? But you know, if we're talking about ADA, if you like the project, if you like the structure and everything, yes, then you know that at some point you're going to have this kind of profit. Yes. And in the meantime, if you're good enough, yeah, you can even trade it. So you buy the lows, you sell the highs, and this 400% profit is going to be like, I don't know, 500, 600% profit, yes, only because you're good enough. Yeah, but don't play too much with this sort of things. Yes, just take it easy. Yeah, take it easy because when you're not trying to basically risk too much, yes, we don't want to take useless risks. Yes. So you buy, you hold, you sell against the resistance. Then you buy again on support level. Yes, the only thing we want to do is buy on support level. We buy the support level, we sell against the resistance, and so on. Yes, this is not praying. This is not risking your money. Yes, this is basically classic trading. Yes, this is what traders do. They buy on support level, they sell against the resistance. This is how it works. Yes. It sounds easy. It's not easy, yes, because I've been doing it for years. It's not easy. But at some point you will get there. Maybe you're going to lose some profit. Maybe you're going to buy at the wrong time, but at the same time you're going to improve yourself. And when you improve yourself, that's when you feel better, and that's when at some point you will see the results. Yes. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you had a nice weekend, and hopefully next week is going to be a green week. I think next week is going to be great. Yeah. So, see you next time.